Hello, everybody. I know it's been a while since I've been live. I've been actually taking my own advice and not trading for August and September. I just want to get everyone ready for when the bull run does hit. So we'll just go through a few things and just explain why we'll be waiting. Hello, everybody. I know it's been a while since I've been live. I've been sorry about that. We will first, like to say a shout out to Crypto G and congratulate him and Mrs. G on their wedding, and hope they have a happy life together and enjoy the time they had this weekend. So let's get right into the markets. Okay, first let's take a look at Bitcoin, and this is part of the reason why you don't trade this time of year. You can see that it's been kind of ranging in an area, and it's been more so on a downtrend lately, but things are looking like they're going to reverse. We've got this trend here, and this is the daily, so it's quite a time period. You can see it's just breaking out of this downtrend right now, so we can expect the markets to start heading up, hopefully. Again, the way I explained the bull run on my last live is that we probably won't really see much movement or upward movement till around the 29th of September, which literally puts us right here. So you can see we got a few more days to get there, but you can see it's already working its way. Hopefully it breaks this larger trend right here, and we might be able to enter. If you do have trades in right now, it is a good time for spot buys or low leverage on accounts like KuCoin, where you can get in at anywhere from 3 to 5x. Wait for it to start pop, and then you can add to your position by upping your leverage. Currently, I have two little small trades, both less than $50 Canadian going. One's in Solana, not I got in it not at the best position, but again, I was only 2x, so I can up it once I start breaking or making profit. I got in here. I know some of our guys got in around the 127 area, which is a great entry. And let's take a look. Go. So we got the daily. You can see it's kind of ranging in this area. The 8 hour. Again, there's no real pattern to break, so it's basically just ranging in a certain area. So I wouldn't say there's no rush to enter. Pretty much all the stocks or all the coins are the same. 12 hour. So if you have money, sit on it for a bit, put it in like low leverage or spot entries till the market pops. Again, I wouldn't expect anything for another week or two. I have actually taken a position of not trading till after the 20th. I'm just going to continue to watch the market. And if you take a look at the 21-day EMA that I've been telling you guys I use, it's on a weekly thing, and you can see how, well, this is injective. It's just bouncing off that line. Every time it hits it, it goes down. Once it clears that, that'll be the time to enter. As you can see, when it was doing it down here, once it popped through, it stayed above it for quite a while. So you might want to put that on your charts. Basically, I'll show you how. You go to the indicators, search for simple moving average, and this is the one I picked. It's Stoxbox. And once you set it up, you're going to go to settings, change the length to 21, source close, method SMA, and the time frame, put it on the 1 week. And you can change I use yellow. You can increase or decrease the size of your line. I like it bigger so I can see it. And then, okay. And then you can keep an eye as it breaks that. That's a time when you should be in trading that thing. And once it cracks through it, it's time to get out. So as you can see, once it went through here, it never really got above it yet. You can see it on just about everything. Look at Ethereum. If you'd have got in it here, you would have been getting in at 1800 and you would have rode it all the way. You might have got out of it here. If you held in it, you definitely would have got out at 3400. It would have been a really good trade, but not always that lucky. And as you can see, just about every stock is below it right now. So yeah, just sit tight, wait a few more weeks, keep an eye on whatever coins or whatever you like to trade. I personally like Solana. I've been thinking Ethereum's going to take off soon because it now has an ETF. A lot of it all is going to rely on market sentiment, and you know, this with the election and everything coming, the markets are a little up and down right now. But if it follows the usual bull run, we should be seeing some action in another week or two. So just be patient. Don't lose excess amount of money, and keep your stop losses if you do trade short. If you're going to try to get an entry for a longer term, you just make sure your entries are sound. So everybody, till tomorrow.